My name is Nonhlanhla. I'm doing PPT subject 501. My student number is 620 700 37. I'm talking about a poem. The topic says diversity. What makes us different? Let us count the way, our God and our region, our language or our age, of what many sizes and colors. That the things we like and things. What make us different? Let us count the way, the clothes we wear, our skin or hair, or face. What make us different? Let us count the way, the food we eat, the friends we meet, the way we spend our days. What make us different? Let us count the way, age or youth or in between, or just our football. What does make us different?